Credit cards can either be your best financial tool or your worst nightmare. If you're just starting out, choosing the right card can save you from fees, build your credit score, and even give you free rewards. But here's the problem. There are hundreds of options out there. Which one is actually the best for beginners in 2025? Well, stick around, because today I'm breaking down the top credit cards for beginners in the US, with pros, cons, and tips to help you avoid rookie mistakes. 1. Why credit cards matter. Before we jump into the list, let's quickly talk about why your first credit card matters so much. Your very first card lays the foundation of your credit history. That's what banks, landlords, and even some employers look at when they judge your financial responsibility. A good card helps you build a strong credit score, avoid debt traps, and maybe even earn rewards on everyday spending. But here's the catch. Pick the wrong card, and you could get hit with high fees, insane interest rates, or limits that don't really help you build credit. That's why choosing carefully is key. 2. Best credit cards for beginners. Top picks. Alright, let's get into the actual cards. These are my top beginner-friendly credit cards for 2025, based on low fees, simple approval, and real value. 1. Discover It Secured Credit Card. If you're brand new, maybe even with no credit history, this is one of the best starting points. It's a secured card, meaning you put down a refundable deposit, usually $200 or more, and that becomes your credit limit. The best part? You earn cashback rewards, something most secured cards don't offer. You'll get 2% back at gas stations and restaurants, and 1% everywhere else. Plus, Discover matches your cashback at the end of your first year. For beginners, that's huge. 2. Capital One Platinum Credit Card. This one's a classic starter card. It doesn't have flashy rewards, but here's why I like it. It's easy to get approved for, even if you have limited credit. No annual fee. And if you use it responsibly, Capital One will automatically review your account for a higher credit limit in as little as 6 months. That's perfect for building credit without extra hassle. 3. Chase Freedom Rise Card. New in 2025. Now this one is exciting. Chase recently launched the Freedom Rise, designed specifically for beginners and students. What makes it stand out? You don't need a long credit history to qualify, and it comes with 1.5% unlimited cashback on all purchases. Unlike many starter cards, this one actually rewards you from day one. And since it's from Chase, it opens the door to more premium Chase cards in the future. 4. Pedal 2 Cashback. No fees Visa. If you hate fees, this is the card for you. No annual fee, no late fees, no foreign transaction fees. And unlike traditional cards, Pedal looks at more than just your credit score when approving you. They'll also consider your banking history, which makes it easier for beginners to qualify. You can earn up to 1.5% cashback after making 12 on-time payments, which is a great incentive for good habits. Segment 3. Tips for beginners. 6 to 715. Okay, so you've picked your card. Now what? Here are 3 golden rules every beginner should follow. Always pay on time. Even one late payment can crush your score. Keep your utilization low. Try to use less than 30% of your credit limit. Never spend more than you can pay off. Treat it like a debit card with benefits, not free money. Do these 3 things, and your credit score will grow like crazy in just a year. So, there you have it. The best credit cards for beginners in the US in 2025. Whether you want to start with a secured card like Discover It, build trust with Capital One, or jump into rewards with Chase Freedom Rise or Pedal, the key is to pick one, use it wisely, and start building your credit future today. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart money tips, and let me know in the comments. Which beginner card are you thinking about getting this year?